my YouTube channel. And for this video is, i-share ko lang sa inyo yung pagkain ulit namin ni Andre. Ito is yung leftover ko kahapon. Ano to? Atay ng manok plus quail eggs. Ayan. Adobo sa asin. And then of course may black coffee. It's only black coffee. And then ito is cheat meal. Ayan. Tusok-tusok. Ayan, ito is baboy. Hindi, ito is manok. Ito, puwet atan to ng manok. And then ito fishball. And then ito is crab. And then hot dog. Ayan. Gusto na Andre ng tusok-tusok. Sayang. So, ito looks so yummy. Ayan. So, what time is it now, Andre? It's 11:45 a.m. Ayan. So, magbre-breakfast pa lang kami. Ganito talaga kami mag-breakfast, guys. It's late. Ayan. Kasi late din kami bumabangon. Ayan. So, let's eat. Ayan. Do you like it? Ayan, gusto niya yung crab. And then, ito is mag-cheat din ako mamaya. Mag-cheat ako. Makikikain ako kay Andre sa tusok-tusok niya. Be careful with the stick, Andre? Ito, bumaba kami is ito na naman yung pinabili niya. Basta bababa kami, meron siyang bagong laruan. So, nakakatakot siyang ibaba.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought in.
Ito guys is paborito ko talaga. Ito yung pet ng manok. Gusto ko siya. Ayan. So, Andre, what are you going to say to them? Say hi. Hi. So, ayan guys. Kakain na kami. And, ayan, paubos na din yung pagkain ko. Ayan. So, busog na ako. Hindi ko kaya kainin ng biglaan. Dahan-dahan lang guys. So, pag ako kumakain mga 1 oras, ganun. Kasi dinadahan-dahan ko talaga. Ayun, binilisan ko pero hindi kaya ng tiyan ko. Ayan. So, nagpa-fasting kasi ako guys. So, ayun. So, I think naka-fasting ako ng 19 hours. So, ayan. Ayan. So, thank you for watching guys. Bye! See you on my next video.